The Green Athlete is an athletic center and plant-based kitchen located off Highway 421 in Boone, North Carolina. The owner's mission is to provide customers with an excellent fitness area accompanied by a vegan restaurant with carryout available. The athletic center has 2 levels. The first is the heavy weight room, which has power racks, dumbbell sets, and other free weights, stationary weight machines, bench presses, captain's chairs, and medicine balls. Personal training sessions are offered in the heavy weight room. The second story is the cardio room with row machines, stair machines, stationary bikes, ellipticals, and treadmills. In a separate area on that same floor are a few large studio rooms for group fitness classes, yoga, and warming up. This facility will give you the perfect opportunity to connect with like-minded people and improve your health. Taking a look in the kitchen, there is a cheery, welcoming space that allows friends and family to come together to enjoy healthy, plant-based food and drink. If you are interested in nutrition counseling, we have a registered dietitian who is able to meet you and help you with your health goals. Come and stop by our restaurant to sample some delicious menu items. Our menu is quite varied and we are always putting out new foods and flavors. Some more popular items include our protein shakes and smoothies and to-go snacks. We're looking forward to meeting you and hope you may become one of our loyal and satisfied customers. A vegan restaurant and athletic center is an impressive addition to the increasingly diverse college town of Boone. Not only is this facility easily accessible to students who may be interested in pursuing this lifestyle, but surrounding residents too have taken an interest in improving their health because of our presence. At the Green Athlete, we care about your health and are committed to helping you achieve your goals.